Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for coming back and checking me out. Before we get started, go ahead and like this video, and if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell so you get notified every time I post. Today's look is going to be this pastel paint, very festive summer-like colorful makeup, and I also received a PR package from Queen Bee Minx in which I will be including in this video, and she was also so amazing that she gave me a discount code for all of you guys. So if you do like any of the products that I will be using today, you can definitely check her page out. I will link her down below. If you want to see how I created this look right here, go ahead and keep on watching. First, we're gonna go ahead and apply our Plouise base Rumour 2. Once that's applied, I'm actually gonna be using the Plouise Let's Be Real I Ain't Basic Winter Edition Pastels. To start this pastel eye, the first base I'm going to be using is the Winter Rose. We're going to start by applying on the lid of the eye. With this same brush, I'm going to go ahead and wing this outwards and then just connect it. To set the base, I will be using this NYX Ultimate Edit Shadows, and I am going to be using shade number 4. The second base that I will be using is Touch of Frost, and with a very thin brush, I'm going to outline the top of the crease. The next base I will be using is Vivid Violet, and with the same thin brush I'm going to be lining the bottom part of the pink. Once I connect the blue base and the purple, I'm going to be making this a wing. For the purple wing, I'm going to stop halfway and I'm going to be adding a different color base in the inner part of my eye. I'm going to go back in with a Touch of Frost, which is the light blue, and I will be connecting this crease onto the wing. We'll blend this blue and this purple together. For the blue liner, I will be applying the light blue, which is the second shade. And finally, I will be using the Hint of Mint base. And this green base is going to be connecting from the tip of this crease till the end of the wing. And I do want to connect the blue one and the green one together. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some pearls. Today's lashes are going to be from Queen Bee Minx. This is in style Gretchen. This was actually part of a PR package that I received a little bit ago. She did send me 2 types of eyelashes, and let's just say the first one is really worn out that I couldn't use it for this video, so I am using this one. She also sent me this little lip gloss that you can attach your keys to, which is super handy. And it's a little pom-pom, super cute. So if you guys want to check her out, I will leave her social media linked down below. And don't forget to use my discount code to get money off your order. I will be applying the Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal Primer. For foundation, I will be applying the Dior Skin in Nude. And this is my new beauty blender from the Crème shop. I'm just going to be dabbing on the foundation. I'm going to come down on my neck so we don't have 2 different tones. For concealer, I'm actually going to be using my Plouise base Rumour number 2. And same thing as the eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and dab with a flat brush. I will be using this Hollywood contour wand from medium to dark, and I will be applying a little bit on my cheek to give it definition on the sides of my forehead, on my nose, and down there. To bake my face, I will be using the Huda Beauty Banana Bread loose powder, and I will be applying this where I applied the Plouise as a concealer. We're gonna go ahead and bake for a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off that bake. For bronzer, I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Rich Amber. For blush, I will be using Kylie Cosmetics We're Going Shopping. To add a little bit of shimmer, I will be using this Becca Own Your Light Shimmer. To match this look, I will be using the Metal Crush by Kat Von D highlighter palette in shade Gamma Ray, which is the pink one. For my bottom lash line, I will be applying all 4 colors. I added a dot of pink, purple, blue, and green, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix all those together. For my lips, I applied the Makeup Forever lip liner in Wherever Walnut. And for lipstick, I did use my favorite nude, which is from NYX, in ALA mode. And of course, I will be adding my Queen Bee Minx lip gloss. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click that bell so you get notified every time I post. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!